Mock turtle, or calf's head soup. 1 large calf's head, well cleaned and washed. 4 pig's feet, well cleaned and washed. This soup should always be prepared the day before it is to be served up. Lay the head and feet in the bottom of a large pot and cover with a gallon of water. Let it boil 3 hours, or until the flesh will slip easily from the bones. Take out the head, leaving in the feet, and allow these to boil steadily while you cut the meat from the head. Select with care enough of the fatty portions which lie on the top of the head and the cheeks to fill a teacup, and set them aside to cool. Remove the brains to a saucer, and also set aside. Cut the rest of the meat with the tongue very fine, season with salt, pepper, powdered marjoram, and thyme, a teaspoonful of cloves, the same of mace, half as much allspice, and a grated nutmeg, and return to the pot. When the flesh falls from the bones of the pig's feet, take out the latter, leaving it in the gelatinous meat. Let all boil together slowly, without removing the cover, for 2 hours more. Take the soup from the fire and set it away until the next day. An hour before dinner, set on the stock to warm. When it boils, strain carefully and drop in the meat you have reserved, which, when cold, should be cut into small squares. Have these all ready as well as the force meatballs. To prepare these, rub the yolks of 5 hard-boiled eggs to a paste in wedgewood mortar or in a bowl with the back of a silver tablespoon, adding gradually the brains to moisten them, also a little butter and salt. Mix with these 2 eggs beaten very light, flour your hands, and make this paste into balls about the size of a pigeon's egg. Throw them into the soup 5 minutes before you take it from the fire. Stir in 3 large tablespoonfuls of browned flour, rub smooth in 3 great spoonfuls of melted butter. Let it boil up well, and finish the seasoning by the addition of 1.5 glasses of good wine, sherry or madeira, and the juice of a lemon. It should not boil more than half an hour on the second day. Serve with sliced lemon. Some lay the slices upon the top of the soup, but the better plan is to pass to the guest a small dish containing these. If the directions be closely followed, the result is sure to be satisfactory, and the task is really much less troublesome than it appears to be.